I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing credentials and the client. Install Filezilla, then open Site Manager and create a new site entry. This saves time later. Enter host, username and password, and set port 21 for FTP, 22 for SFTP. Choose the correct protocol and transfer type. Passive mode usually works behind routers. Once done, click Connect to test the handshake. If prompted about a host key, verify fingerprint with the server admin before trusting it. Now you execute transfers. Navigate the local pane to your files and the remote pane to the target directory, then drag and drop. For many files, add them to the queue so you can start and walk away. Filezilla continues in the background. Watch the transfer queue to see progress, speed, and errors. If uploads fail, check permissions and ownership. You can right-click a remote file and choose File Permissions to change mode bits. Make sure to refresh remote listings after folder changes. To finish, verify uploads by comparing file sizes or checksums. This ensures integrity. Then close the connection or save the site in Site Manager for easy reuse later, and export settings if you need to replicate a setup. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check your firewall and router, switch passive versus active mode, and examine server logs for permission denials. If a certificate or host key prompts, confirm it with the admin instead of blindly accepting it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.